Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. So this is Google Slide Tutorial Part 2, and if you have not watched the Part 1, do watch it before watching this video. And there is a link at upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to watch it now because it contains some of the very useful basic knowledge that you may need while using this app. Moving ahead, in this video we will learn to handle the text. Under the text, we will learn text formatting, text positioning, cut, copy and paste, and the last, the most beautiful, is designing the text. So, starting from number 1, formatting the text. Let's create a new presentation here. There a question arises that what does formatting means? Formatting means changing the appearance of something. Here we are talking about text. So it is called text formatting. We will change the appearance of text. So let's add some text here by double tap. Let's say IT Paradigm, the name of my channel. Here it is, and below that there should be YouTube. Now under the formatting there are so many options that it is a difficult task to take their name. So let's explore all the options that we get under text formatting. Select the text box, go on this A option at upper side of the screen, and under the text we get so many options: bold, italics, underline and strike through. You can see the text formatting is applied to the text. We can remove the formatting by again tapping on these icons: bold, italics, underline and strike through. The next we get the option of font style. Tapping on it, we will get a list of fonts that we can choose to apply font style. So here my personal favorite is this Pacifico. And the next is we get the size option here. We can increase or decrease the size by tapping on these arrows. Up arrow will increase the size and down arrow will decrease the size. The next is text color. So by default it is black. We can change it to any color. If you have good knowledge of colors, go with this basic. Otherwise go with the theme, because theme suggests some great colors to the person in hurry. So let's choose any color from here. Okay, go back. And the next is highlight color. What is highlight color? It is very similar to the highlighter you use to highlight the text in your book. The same work will be done by highlight the color. So you can go with the theme or go with basic. Let's say this green color. When you choose green color, you will get so many options of green: light green, dark green. So choose any light color or dark color. And if you do not want any color, tap on this none option. Go back. So these were all the options that were available for formatting the text. Moving ahead, number 2 was positioning the text. So to position the text, we have again the same option. Select the text box, go on this A option, and under the paragraph here we get the options to position the text. So on the first line we get the alignment. What is alignment? Alignment is the option to change the position of the text horizontally. So by default it is set to center. We can set it to left, to right or to justify. So let's select the center one. Below that we get the option to change the position of text vertically as well as horizontally. So it is selected to down. We can place it to center or we can place it to the highest, or we can say upper side of the text box. And in the right side we get the option to place the text horizontally like this. By tapping on it we can change the position. And also if we have a paragraph, Let's write a paragraph somewhere in the new slide. So to write a lengthy text, I will suggest you to use voice typing option in your keyboard. I'm going to use it right now. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it and tap the bell icon to never miss any update of useful videos. Now you can see the text is here. We can increase the size by tapping on A. Tap on up arrow to increase the size like this. So we also get line spacing option under the positioning of text. So select the text box, go on this option A, and under the paragraph we get line spacing option, that is the last one. So tap on up arrow to increase the space and tap on down arrow to decrease the space. So you can show that your page is full or the page is empty by using this option. So that these were all the options that you can use to position your text within the slide. The next is cut, copy and paste. So you can cut, copy or paste the text by tap and hold any text like this. Again, tap and hold any text. You will get some options at upper side of the screen. The first, the scissor one, is cut. The next is copy and the third is paste. After that we get delete option. So to cut the text, we have this scissor. Tap on it. Now you can see the IT paradigm is disappeared. Go on the next slide or whatever slide you want. Tap anywhere on the screen and we will get the option of paste. Now you can see IT paradigm is here. Also we want this IT paradigm on the first slide because this is empty slide. So we can copy the text also. So select the text box and tap and hold like this. The same scissor is here, and after that we have a copy option here. So copy it, go on the first slide or whatever slide you want, tap anywhere on the screen and paste. You can see IT paradigm is here also. Place it where you want like this. So this was how you can cut, copy or paste any text within the slide or to any other slide. Moving ahead, the fourth was the most beautiful one, designing the text. How can we design the text? So select any text box, go on this A option, go to shape here, and under shape we get the option to fill color. You can say there is a boundary of IT paradigm. There is a boundary of IT paradigm. We can fill the color within this boundary. Tap this option, select any color. You can see the color is changing and we can go through other options as well. The different versions of yellow is here. To remove this color, tap on this transparent. Go back and we also get border color option here. So there will be a border on the place of these blue lines. Select it and select any color like this. Now you can see there is a thin border around IT paradigm, but it is so thin. We want a bold border. So select the text box, go on the A, and under the shape we get border weight. Weight is nothing but the size of the border. We can increase the pixels like this. Now you can see the border is visible. After that we get an option to change the border style. Tap on it, we will get a list like what type of border do we want. We want dotted, dashed, or these options are here. Go back, and after that we have some more options, drop shadow and reflections. We can use these options to modify our text and play with these options to get familiar with this application. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. In the next video, we will be learning some more tips and tricks of this app, and after watching that video, you will become master of this application. There is a request again, if you are new to this channel or watching my videos for the first time, consider subscribing it and tap the bell icon to never miss any update of useful videos like this one. That's all. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.